Yo, hello everybody, welcome to the trading live stream. Not financial advice, of course. You do your money, I'll do my money. Don't hold me accountable for you winning millions. Link down below, Bybit. Don't trade me because we can trade on Bybit, because where else are we gonna trade? Best exchange for trading. Okay, I figured out the sound was a little bit too, loud. So if you didn't get that, Bybit down below, link, click, not financial advice, you do your money, I do my money. There we go. Center plan, what's up? Mark Murphy, yes, my man. My man, Mark. How you doing, man? Dobro jutro, Gen X. Let's talk about CME. Go away. No. I just the first one is really crap. What are we gonna do today, guys? What are we gonna do today? Good evening and good luck. Touch ring racing. How you doing, man? How you doing? Look at us. At 22k, 23k. I posted the last just video like half an hour ago about this being the 2014 bottom. Plays out perfectly. You guys should watch it. Just felt that you would stream. Picked up the phone and there was notification, believe it or not. Nice. Hey Dejan, how you do? The central plan. Me and you got this connection going on. Universal vibes, strings keeping us attached. RNDR is on fire today. Probably is. What's up, fellow future billionaires? There we go. Edward is in the chat. Then left the other day, bro. Also, thanks for sharing your experience on CME gap that caused you to miss the start of the bull run. I appreciate it, buddy. Dark blue balls. Yeah, we are getting lighter. I think we are at yellow right now. So I think the blue balls is over. The blue balls. Over here we are blue balls. Here we are very, very dark purple balls. Right now we are getting into the yellow balls area. Thomas, hey, how you doing? When's the next leg up? I think it's soon. Like, here's the thing with Bitcoin. Like, it has chance to dump. It really has chance. Look at these two moves. This was a chance to dump down. It did not dump down. This was a chance to dump down. It did not dump down. Do you know what that means? That means when Bitcoin tries to do something and fails, we gotta assume the other way is the correct way. What we trading? Anything that we're gonna find. I'm not really actually in the mood for trading or anything like that, but I was thinking like, there is no relaxing with this. If you're gonna get good at trading, we gotta trade. We gotta do something. We gotta find something. 2015 bottom video was great. Thanks, Gears. I think it is. I think it's playing out. And I've been, at least from my side, I've been proponent of this being 2014 button for a long time, but today I actually just saw it. I saw it today because I saw it on I was on Twitter today and was looking through my old posts, old media posts, and then I saw this post. This was from September 30, and I was like, oh my god, I forgot that we are that we are doing the fractal up here. And I checked it out, and it does play out. It plays out exactly the same. You guys, you're welcome to watch the video from today. It's a very good video. And then somebody, Stock Money Lizard or Kali, reposted this saying that this is Wyckoff accumulation phase, climax, test, spring up. But this spring down here did not spring the way I actually thought the spring was gonna go play out. I thought this spring was gonna go down here and right back up there again, but it did not. It went down and then went sideways and then spring up. It was barred. Like the video, guys. Get the reserved already. There we go. Like the video. We need likes. We got a 372 bucks on this account. We got a 2.9 million, 2.9k on another account. 400 million account. But I think since we are not really in the mood, we can just trade this account over here. And as you can see up here, Bitcoin does seem a little bit bullish up here. Let's pop some moving averages up here on the chart so we can see this a little bit better. Why is there melodic sound up here? I'm not really into melodic sounds right now, or let me find something better to listen to, something chill out. Something when nobody talks. But it's not, you know, dead. Yeah, maybe this. We try this. S&P double top. Nah. We still believe that S&P is gonna break through the resistance. Slayer, good chill music. I gotta go with the, you know, mainstream music. Gotta please everybody. Gotta please everybody. So this over here, you can see up here that, you know, the moving average is up here, you know, coming very, very nicely strong right now, bouncing up here. We got a resistance up here at 30, you know, 33.2 or something like that. Do me a favor and look at FAT. I'm not looking at FAT. That thing bounced big time, and you know, the problem with FAT is I cannot trade FAT. It's not, you know, FAT is not on the right now hitting this resistance on the dollar, this 0.2836. You can see up here, I mean, when you know where to put the lines, I mean, the lines are, you know, legitly, you know, super nice. When you know where to put the lines, right? So yeah, this thing exploded, but the reason I don't like looking at FAT, you know, it went 5x, it's gonna have pullback eventually. Up here it's already curving up here towards the upside up here, so you know, this move up here, it has more probability, it can definitely bounce, but it's already did like 6x. You know, so people are taking already profit. You can see up here it was a very nice run up here, and right now, you know, there's a lot of profit taking up here. But once the profit taking up here, if there is still bullishness up here, it, you know, it will continue, but it could just, you know, go down. But I don't like looking at FAT because it's not on Bybit. You know, it's trying to simple up. This also hitting some kind of resistance up here at the top. But this over here, this move down here does not look very bearish though. This looks like, you know, some kind of bull flag up here. So you know, where it's gonna break? Where it's gonna break? Big questions. But I think we can actually trade optimism. So you know, we can check it out. Wait, not this one, not this one, not this one, this one. I think we can trade optimism on. Yeah, optimism is on Bybit. So yeah, we can check out optimism. Optimism is up so much, man. 184%. Looks like something down here. I think it's something down here, give or take. But these lines do seem that they are better like this over here. And this one could go over there. Kinda. Maybe down here. Yeah, this seems better. Yeah, this seems. Let's go 30-minute chart just to get more lines up here. Yeah, something like this maybe. So you're breaking up here. Just remove this one for a second up here. This looks like a channel though. Holding some fat, waiting for the next pump to take profits. Next pump. Fat did 6x, man. You're being greedy. Check Chili's. Mladen is in the chat. How you doing, man? Chili's. I got some kind of channel on Chili's up here. It broke towards upside, but it pulled back. I'm a little bit unsure whether the channel is actually correct, but no, channel is nice. Channel is legit. It's actually a triple channel up here. Let's remove these lines up here for a second. This is a 30 minutes time frame up here. Let's go up 4 hourly. Yeah, this looks like it wants to break towards upside. You can see up here coming, you know, hitting the bottom, go to the resistance. So right now doing the curvature move up here. So this looks like it wants to break towards upside. There is some kind of support line over here. So you know, we can actually, you know, long the support up here. So let's go into small time frames up here. And look at this part over here, right? Yeah, it should be very steep. I think it goes something like this over here. It's not this one. Give or take. Down here somewhere, I think. If it can pull back down here, you know, might do Chile's, but Chile hasn't been that volatile lately. It's just going slowly inside this up here, but you know, if it does break this, you know, towards upside up here, it can do something like, you know, 10, 20, 12, 15%. Greeting to all the blue balls around here. Greeting Sola, Claudio. Blue balls. Just got out of a long IVAX 75 profit, waiting for the pool to enter, re-enter. Nice. VeChain breaking. Breaking what? What is VeChain breaking? Harmony is up already 10%. VeChain is meow. This kind of move can take a while. There's definitely some kind of, you know, line up here. And this line is definitely some kind of line from something else. Yeah. Nice little, you know, 1% pump over there for some reason. So we gotta get into something before, you know, Bitcoin decides to, you know, go. Maybe we should just do Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin is volatile. Bitcoin is volatile, right? So bearish engulfing up here to the support right now. Nah, it looks like, you see how it curves up here. This 5-minute time frame. I don't know what we are looking at 5-minute time frame for. I might have a pullback. SHIB is interesting. SHIB is unfortunately not that interesting. SHIB is actually, you know, doing this move down. See that SHIB is already breaking towards the downside over here. And I think the line is pretty legit. I think the line is pretty legit. Okay, this is not on dollar, this one is dollar. So unless it does some kind of, you know, big move up here right back inside this channel, I don't know. Let's get ready for a pullback. AVX is getting ready for a pullback. I don't know what kind of pullback you're talking about, man. I don't know what kind of pullback you're talking about. This was a pullback and then it came right back up there again. It broke out in 30 minutes. Let me chat. Fat AVX, Sol, Chili, SHIB. I'm all them all. Phantom too. Yeah, Phantom has been performing well lately. Here. Too many lines. Too many lines on the screen. Breaking the resistance. Imagine that. Phantom is breaking the resistance. 200 moving average up here on the weekly. 50 up there. Major levels to be broken. It's up big time though. A pumper, 113% from the bottom. Crypto Labs is in the chat. How you doing, man? What's up? Are you trading anything? Look how nice this move is. Parabolic move up here, pull back up here, and just continues towards the upside. Such a powerful move. Any kind of... Oh, this is good. Oh, I like this. Oh, this is nice. I like Matic. Oh, this is good. You know, when you've been looking at charts for as long as I've been looking at the charts, and it's been a long time right now looking at the charts, you know, you immediately see good stuff. Immediate, like instantly. See how here it went kind of, you know, parabolic up a little bit, came to the pull back, right back up there again. Right now still consolidating. You could say that this is double, you know, double top up here, and it's gonna drop down, and there is probability to drop down, but it sits on this 10 moving average up here. And Bitcoin is not that weak right now, so I would say that this is, you know, nice move up here. It can get above the resistance up here. Yeah, looking at some decent move on Matic if it can do that. So I think the most interesting part is not the entire thing up here. I think it's just over here. It looks like some kind of channel. But where will it draw the channel? Nah. Seems it's up here for whatever reason. Okay, let's extrapolate this. Let's go this over here, there. Yeah. Seems that this is the channel. Right now coming very close to the resistance, but getting above this moving average. So we are not catching this button. It's not gonna happen. How much downside do we have? Wow, 3%. It's crazy. Hoppat är fel, men tror det är bear trap. You could be right. Then we could be right as well that it's not, you know. So one of us is gonna get wrecked. Always trading something. Nice. I plugged your channel as one of my recommended crypto YouTube channels today on stream. You did? Nice. Thanks, man. I appreciate the plug. I didn't know what plug was until somebody told me, oh, thanks for plugging us, and you know. But I'm down with the lingo right now, so you know. Thanks for the plug, man. Recommended channels, nice. At least somebody is recommending me, you know, it feels good. 5 years of hard work is coming to fruition. I don't know, this is a 1 hourly time frame right now. We got 22 minutes left to go up here. 30 minutes closing in soon up here. This looks good enough to me. I mean, what kind of move down could we see? You know, 1% move down. Yeah, I like Matic, but Matic is not volatile yet. What is volatile? Volatile right now? I think Phantom is volatile. I think Phantom is most volatile right now. It's coming to the resistance up here, but slowly, you know, grabbing the moves. It's not yet quite there. It's up 7%, so people are like, oh, it's too much. If it goes big time, right? And you know, we always start streaming at the wrong time, so there is that. ETV also, although it looks like it wants to break down. Right now, it's just here at the resistance up here. How much downside on ETV do we have? 3%, man. XRP had some moves today. Some volatile was up 100%. Is some on Bybit? If it's not on Bybit, I cannot do much about that. Yeah. So you will often see, you know, coins that are about to break, and you know they look so nice, but the volatility is just not kicking in. And you know, you could wait, you know, day 2, 3 until volatility kicks in. So it's better, I think, to, you know, find out something that's already volatile up here. This thing over here is coming into this, you know, very nice corner up here. but it could, you know, do another one of these. Nah, not today. And then go down here and then again do the one move and then go up, you know. So this part up here can, you know, take, you know, another day. So that's the big problem with these coins, right? Yeah, especially with these coins that are already not volatile. They're kind of waiting for something. You don't know what they're waiting for. I mean, there's a very nice triangle, and the breakout is gonna be, you know, up here. It was very big moves, but over here right now there is, you know, there is not a lot of big moves up here. So this to me looks like this wants to, you know, break out, but you know, taking a chance. Okay, let's assume we take a chance on the breakout right now and pulls back, and does this over here. And then breaks up here. I mean, it's a long time waiting for a breakout, right? I don't know about Bybit. Do they have it in Australia? I don't know, man. You're buying a filter coins by top gainers, losers. We can do that. We can filter coins by volume. Bitcoin, GMT. OP, Luna, not Luna, we're not touching on Waves, Gala, Ape, Rune, Avex. Let's see what GMT is doing. Long time since I've seen GMT, because GMT, you know, was that one hit wonder. Yeah, so it did explode up here, but this is for it. Yeah, this is long time ago, so it's right now having this pullback up here. It's already moving. You know, these kind of moves are not. They're not that volatile. It's already below moving averages, so it's not like. Did it break the trend over here? Yeah, it broke the trend. This is 30-minute chart. This trend is broken, but is this broken? Yeah, it just broke it. Yeah, I think we can do this. Like up here, it could move. This still means it's 5 minutes time frame up here. It does look like up here. I mean, it depends on where you put the lines, of course, but this is broken, this is broken, this is broken. I think it's broken. I think trend over here just got broken, and there's a trend line up here somewhere, and the bottom trend line is down there, so there is a channel. So you can use the channel to figure out, you know, some kind of buy. But right now it's the best time to buy, because if this is down here, some kind of pullback, right? Some kind of pullback down there, right? Midline up here, pullback on the line up here. The moving averages are coming in. This on 5, this on small time frame still, but you know, bigger time frames up here. Although it does look like it is broken. It is broken, like, it doesn't matter how you look at it. Can it pull back all the way down to the 50 again? I mean, it's hit 50, you know, so many times. How many downside is this? Like, it's not that much. I mean, you know, it's small time frame, so you can do this. We can definitely do this. So you're just gonna let GMT pull back. I think here is like the optimal entry right now. So if we entered up there, I mean, we are not losing that much if it does pull back, because it had this, you know, nice move up here above the resistance. It's right now going into this slight channel over here. What, you know, like bets on inverse and shoulders. I'm holding Rune is due for a quick 3x pump soon. Rune look interesting. Yeah, Near pumped big time lately. Didn't he do that? I think I saw Near like being up 10% or something like that. Where is Near? It's up 6.8% right now. Yeah, slowly climbing. Everything is slowly climbing. Herbar did an, you know, gigantic move up here and right now pulling back. But it's right now, you know, even Herbar is right now on the support line up here, on this channel up here. Now let's go back to GMT. Binance. No, it's not Binance, Bybit. So let's draw the channels again up here. think it goes something like this over here, right? I mean, I could be wrong, but I think this is the line, give or take. Then we get a secondary channel, you know, small channel in here on 5-minute time frame up here, right? Could be this one up here as well, but something like this up here, give or take. But it's breaking this midline up here. So let's wait a little bit up here. Let's see 2 minutes up here. It goes down. So maybe it's gonna come all the way down here, which would be nice. We're entering big trades when total 3 breaks. It's downtrend. When total 3, what's total 3? Sweet. Thanks, Cook Rider. Gen X, there's a link down below. You can use my link to join Bybit if you're not on Bybit. Just make sure that deposit 2.5 million to get the 30k, you know, sign up bonus. I've been using all this CoinSpot. I don't know what CoinSpot is. Can we go even small time frames up here? Like how many seconds are we gonna look at? Channel. But where are the patterns? Total 3 is the entire market cap of all crypto minus Bitcoin, Ethereum. Oh, okay. We already lost 0.42 move. Maybe on a pullback. I don't know. This thing can, you know, go sideways for a long time. Let's look at something else. Bitcoin did a nice move up here on 5-minute time frame towards downside. Bearish, broke down. Check AVAX. Solana looking good. Check Lokia B Pro. Check this, check that. Lose your link till but the posting 2.5 is a little bit beyond my means. I mean, you don't have to deposit 2.5 million. Only if you want a 30k sign up bonus, you know. Go though. I do, man. I see you back. So. I might be wrong, but this is rising wedge. This is a channel up here. That channel, this is a triangle. Cardano up here in the curve. Solana bleeding down. Ape doing these triple tops up here, looks to break on the downside. Going towards the resistance. So everything looks like he wants to dump down, guys. What's up with that? Look at this up here. Maybe you should be shorting. Which could be interesting because daily is still a little bit, you know, above the means. So maybe some kind of pullback up here. Like over here, a pullback. should wreck everything towards the downside. What is sitting at resistance right now? AVX is pretty high up here. Resistance. Ape is not at resistance. Let's see if there's something, you know, looking good at resistance. This thing over here, ETV. I think ETV might be a short, because if right now it's coming to this resistance up here, right? And although it, you know, it does look like it might actually, you know, break towards upside. If it does break towards upside, you know, we can get out, you know, without big loss. Let's look at the volume up here. There's no volume up here. We'll just this the shortest in your last stitch. No, this is trading, you know. We are short term, you know, short. No problem, no problem. What do you think about RSI being heavily overextended on Bitcoin? Not so much. Depends on what kind of RSI you're looking. If you look at a weekly RSI, it's, you know, sitting just, you know, in middle range 1 hour ago. Do trading bots work? Yes, of course. Not all trading bots, and you know, you need to know what you're doing. So I was actually thinking about today. Trading bots, guys, trading bots. You can't do trading bots if you don't know TI. If you don't know how the price moves, how are you gonna program the trading bot? You can buy somebody else's trading bot, but they're just gambling, right? You're just paying for somebody else to, you know, set up your trading bot. You need to program, you know, what the bot is gonna do, right? When it's gonna buy, when it's gonna sell. And for that, you need to have some kind of strategy, some kind of idea behind that, and that's where the TA comes. So you need to know your TA before you do trading bot. If you can't trade profitably, you know, without the trading bot, you won't be able to trade profitably with the trading bot. I'm just saying it out there. Yeah, there is no movement up here. Search HSP if you can go long or short. Yeah, sure. Chat GPT. Should we go long or short right now on Bitcoin? I'm an AI, do not have ability to provide financial or investment advice. It is important to conduct your own research and make your own decisions regarding investments. It is also crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decision. Do you think financial advisor is a good idea? They usually are poor and only shill whatever their bank or employer is telling them to shill. Financial advisors can be a valuable resource for individuals looking to make investment decisions. However, it is important to choose a financial advisor who is fiduciary, I don't know what that means, meaning they are legally required to act in your best interest. It is also important to thoroughly research and vet a financial advisor before working with them to ensure that their interests align with yours. Additionally, it is important to remember that no financial advisor can guarantee returns, and it is ultimately the responsibility of the individual to make an informed investment decision. This was a new word, I don't know what this is. What is this? What is fiduciary? I don't know. A fiduciary is a person or organization that acts on behalf of another person or persons putting their client's interests ahead of their own with a duty to preserve good faith and trust. Being a fiduciary thus requires being bound both legally and ethically to the act of the best. Okay, how do you spell this word? Translate.
Fiduciary.
Fiduciary. Ah, I heard the word. I just couldn't read the word. Fiduciary. Okay. Fiduciary. Lol, I knew it was gonna say. Nah, he's not saying something smart. He's just saying, you know, something that's, you know, makes him not give you, you know, the financial advice. So we're looking at this one. We're looking at, let's see OP up here. OP. OP looks like you must, you know, break down there. But it is a higher high up here. Nah. Something on hedge funds trading experts underperform S&P returns over the last decade. I saw it on Bloomberg last night. Yeah, we know. Hedge funds experts are not experts. They are hedge fund, you know, gamblers. I avoid having an opinion. Yeah, it works. Wow, there was a big volume up here on OP just right now. Why is such a huge volume up here on the resistance? This is going towards downside, so. I don't think we have an option. I think we got a short. You know, short-term short. We're gonna short the move. It's gonna be scalp short, scalp short. Yeah, A is changing the game, guys. AI is changing the game, literally changing the game. If doesn't just figure out your job and figure out right now how can you use AI to improve your job. It doesn't really matter. If you gotta be first, you gotta be first. We call it basic research. Not yet. Let's take 5-minute break so you guys have time to, you know, join Bybit in the meanwhile. And deposit 2.5 million so you can get 30k sign up bonus. And we're gonna continue with this. Okay, guys, I was thinking, for Bitcoin to go higher, I think it wants to do a spring. This was a spring of fake out, this was a spring of fake out, this was a spring of fake out. I think it needs to do a bigger spring and then go towards upside. Now if it does a spring, everything will follow Bitcoin and do a spring, meaning we can short that. Now we got Phantom up here coming into this nice rising wedge up here towards the top, which is quite nice for shorting up here. But Phantom is very volatile, so we gotta be, you know, we gotta be ready for a move. How much upside does Phantom have? Phantom is still moving slowly towards the upside up here. 1.36. We can wait a little bit. It looks already like it wants to go top. If it goes fast towards the upside with some kind of volume up here, we can short that. Yo, Vanalesso, what's up? Let's play Vanalesso song, guys. Let's play a Vanalesso song. It's been a long time since we played the, you know, I don't know why we didn't do that. First, we're gonna start with Solar. No, we're gonna start with Dodge Daddy. And then we're gonna play Solar. I don't know why we are not playing, you know, Dodge Daddy. I mean, thing is bullish like you know what. So it's time to, you know, change the pace a little bit towards downside and wreck everybody. Epsilon trendline support. Hi buddy, you should do some SP trading too. It's like real easy Bitcoin and Mad Moon for day trading. Yeah, but then I have to, you know, go on exchange where, you know, that has, you know, exposure to S&P and... Or is S&P some coin I'm not aware, I'm unaware of? I don't know what S&P is. Spell maybe. Maybe this is it. I don't know. Lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash. This move up. No, S&P 500. Yeah, S&P good point. Not an easy to trade. Yeah, so you know, we are sticking to cryptocurrencies on Bybit, so you know, so we can shield the Bybit link and we can. We can make money. I mean, there is no. I mean, of course, you could trade forex, you could trade, you know, markets, you could trade Tesla, Amazon. You know, there are so many options. But you know, I'm not becoming a better trader by trading everything, right? You know, stick with what you know, and we know, you know, crypto. So 10 breaks 0.40, it's going to 1. No resistance in between. I mean, there is resistance, definitely some kind of resistance up here. Let's see bigger time frames up here. Yeah, the move up here seems legit. But there is definitely resistance up here. It's breaking that. And there is definitely resistance up here. There is definitely resistance at the 200 moving average. Definitely resistance up. Yeah, it got a lot of resistance. You cannot say that there's empty space. I mean, it got a lot of resistance right up here above it. Let's go back first and bring our lines back, and then we're gonna go to the weekly time frame and draw the resistance lines so we have them on the chart. That's the pullback line, this is the high, but we're gonna use the 200 moving average up here and the 50 moving average. So if this goes up, it can go to 44. Where is 44? All the way up there. Still don't have any volume candle up here. What's bit is doing 5-15 minutes. And kind of sluggish. Kind of sluggish. Just ranging up here. Did these two springs up here, but you know, failed both of these springs. Right now there is some kind of resistance up here. Yeah, I think it wants to do another, you know, bigger spring towards downside, because I am, you know, technically bullish on Bitcoin, but I always know that, you know, when it comes to trading, the moves don't just happen in straight line. So there is that. To 45 and then 8K. What? Yeah, 45 to 8K. Wow. I don't think so. 45 I can see, but I cannot see 8. Wait, you don't like my idea 3 hours ago and now you're expecting a spring? Yeah, now I'm expecting a spring. I changed my mind very fast. There we go. It's already hitting this resistance up here. Sorry, caps. 30K then 80 more probable. Phantom bit up, yeah, bit up, but not enough. Not enough. I want to hit this line, but if it breaks the line, it might go all the way to 44. 44 is major resistance, and if I know anything, is that these major resistance tend to hit. So up here at 44, that's like the best short. A little ape long. Yeah, ape is consolidating up here. Now ape is a very nice, you know, very nice triangle up here. This might be a pennant, but it could also be a reversal, you know, reversal move towards the other side. I think it goes something like this over here because it's nice. And then it doesn't do this, it just does this over here, and doesn't do that, it does that over there, and something like this. So this move up here might be a pennant, but it also could be a reversal move, because in bullish trend these things can reverse very easily for a trend line. Yeah, I think it's more probable to go down, because you can see up here it does these big moves up here at the top, and this to me looks like, you know, distribution, some kind of pattern up here at the top. You can see up also how it curves very nicely up here. So I think that is more probable for this to go down. Can it go do this and down? Yeah, but you can also just, you know, do this. Wow. AK will take a year or two. Now I can definitely see 8K or 10K or even 5K happen, but it's gonna take major event to make that push towards downside. Yeah, I like the pattern. I like when I see patterns. So, you know, we're gonna keep this in mind. And this thing over T failed, moved towards the upside. And right now it's breaking down. Not quite yet, but it's very close to breakdown. Take an answer for a mirror, please. No, thank you. Okay, it's time to buy by using your link TLA. I will trace some money into later today after stream. I hope that's, you know, 3 million. Thanks for using my link, man. That's all I ask for. Not a financial advice. I hope Bybit is as good to you as it is to me. It's down, like if you shorted up here at the top, you know, that would be like 15% move down. But we are always scared to take the moves. Cardano also has this triangle up here. things get this looks more like a breakdown. This looks more like a breakdown. You know, the moves up here on Cardano could be trying can be anything. So you cannot just look at this part over here. You gotta look at the entire move, right? How it gets to that point, right? This looks like a house, right? So the consolidation up here, something's gonna happen very soon on Cardano. We know something's gonna happen. This thing broke on the downside. God damn it. Looks like it's rolling over. Yeah, CP7 support also. So I think we need to, you know, short something, basically. Because I think Bitcoin is gonna pull back down. And this is already below the moving average. This already had this, you know, week towards upside. Failed. It could do this, you know, this move down, where it goes up first and then, you know, slams. Slam dunk. It could do slam dunk. Interesting. There are options. There are definitely options. Some options are better than other options, but you know, options. You're right, Cardano looks like it's rolling over. SCP set on support. Selling volume on this pullback is not high. Now, like, pullbacks don't pull back that much. It does look kind of strong, but I think it needs to do a spring. I think it needs to do a bigger spring towards the upside. Just like over here, it did this, you know, big move down and then continue. I think it's because it's trying, bro, trying, and it goes down, and then, you know, the spring. Springs are very, very powerful, guys. You should wait a bit. Some moves coming. We missed so many moves because we waited. So I'm a little, you know, unsure whether we're gonna wait or not. So our options right now is shorting Ape, shorting Cardano, shorting Phantom. Cardano. I don't know if this entrepreneur would like me to short Cardano. I might get, you know, we might get on the wrong foot. You see up here, trying to get up. Still not below 20 moving average. Let's see, 4 hourly closing in 44 minutes, 1 hourly closing in 44 minutes. The move can happen soon. Already did this move up here, holding the support. Does this, you know, curvature up here, but you know. So it's either a long position up here, or it's, you know, it's gonna break down and go down. Big questions, and everything is in the middle of something. Ethereum, what's Ethereum doing? Wow, Ethereum had a big week on the downside. AVAX did move nice up here. Just pulling slowly down. Phantom is also continuing down. Cardano is also continuing down. But it's going down slowly towards support line. Sticky, you want to buy Cardano. Long Herbar. Herbar is a short as well because it pumped like crazy, and right now it's doing this, you know, a lead-in bump and run pattern. Where is Herbar? I'm gonna show you. See here, it has this lead-in bump and run pattern. That's what it's doing right now, right? But it is on the support lines over here, so you know I'm a little bit unsure about that. It is on the support, so if it can bounce, it can definitely bounce off of this support over here. I wait a bit then long. Cardano is not yet below. Ape is kind of already holding the support. This is third time it's coming down to the support level. Trying to coming down to support. Okay, next move up, we short. Potential short ILV gaming. Yeah, ILV has been performing lately, if I'm not recall. Yeah, 15% up, like 12% up today. We have kind of divergence. There is slight divergence up here, but nothing much up here. Daily time frame up here. Nothing much goes towards the upside. Volume probably nice volume as well. Nah, I don't want to touch these very bullish coins. If you want to short, I'm not shorting these bullish coins. 12% up. Yeah, ETV. Yeah, I forgot about ETV. ETV is also potential, you know, short up here. Could do a nice, you know, move down. Yeah, why not? And it's some kind of top up here. It's at least not down there. So let's short ETV instantly. Support. Yeah, why not? We gotta short something, right? It would be nice if he gets a pump. See, Bitcoin is getting a pump. 0.8. Ape getting support. Cardano getting support. Phantom, no. Not that. In the middle of the range. Are we gonna short the middle of the range? How much is that? 898. No, there is volume up here. Ape is losing it, but it's 5-minute time frame up here. Bitcoin. I feel like I feel like we are missing it. Tell you the truth, I feel like we are missing it. Do you feel it? Short Tada if you dare. See everything like. 10-minute time frame up here, close below all of them. Probably missing something on Ape. This broke. Yeah, might be this one up here. breaking that as well. What was in the trading view the other evening? What do you mean? The other evening? Nothing. Short APT. Why do I have, you know, such cold feet? I don't get it. ADA is pulling back. That's nice. So we can do ADA. This is also pulling back a little bit. So right now everything hits support. So it's either long position up here, because you know this is the support line up here. It's a long position, right? And Bitcoin is one hourly, closing 35 minutes, 30 minutes time frame up here, closing 5 minutes. The only thing that came up to the top up here is right now the resistance up here. What do Bitcoin wants to do? Divergence as well. Momentum down. Just holding it up there. Thanks for streaming this price. Smash the likes. Yeah, guys, smash the like button. What's B? Steppen loan. I forgot about Steppen. GMT. What do we say about Steppen? This was a loan, but it broke down. It had a retest up there. Didn't even see that. Looks like head and shoulders pattern. Retest up here. GMT. Private. You're recommending a TradingView sub. I was only recommending, yeah, I was recommending TradingView as a platform to trade, but only time I was recommending TradingView subscription is during the Black Week, because you get like 50, 60, 70% off on TradingView subscription. So that's the best time to buy a subscription if you want subscription on TradingView. I mean, it's free, so you don't have to have it, but if you want more, more charts, more indicators, stuff like that, I think it waits for 30 minutes more. Let's hitting this resistance up here. There is no way this thing is gonna, there's no way at this move is gonna do this move up here. There is no way. There is no way. It's definitely gonna break down. Okay, what kind of risk do we have up here? 1% up here towards these stops. 1.12%. It's not much money. We're just gonna do it because it's hitting this resistance up here. 1 minute right now. Bullish engulfing candle. 15 minutes time frame. 10 minutes bullish engulfing candle. 5 minutes. The free version is very unworkable on the phone. I use a TradingView shield link. Enjoy your credits. Whoa! Thanks. Thanks for using my links, guys. Appreciate that. You're supporting the channel, the future of the channel. Nah, I don't trust it. Yeah, I took a short on Cardano. I mean, it can go up, 1% or something like that. It's not much money, it's okay. We're taking a bet. I cannot wait, a whole night. Like, we've been streaming for over an hour, so, right now we got to do something, right? And I do feel that, that the price needs to, go, spring down before something happens. Guys, watch this video. The bottom is exactly like 2014. Okay, where do we short up here? Entry price 3753. And 3 short. Next and 3 short. There we go. The wait's so long for the moves to happen. But it did try, to be honest, did try, 2 moves down here. Failed both moves, so, are we gonna get a third spring down? TP target for that. I don't know, down on 0 perhaps. Somewhere close to 0. somewhere close to zero, but you know, this, you know, this pattern up here, you know, it tends to break down. Like it's, you know, this triangle up here, it's already, you know, people are too FOMO-ish up here, right? It's already losing steam up here, so you know, I don't see why it should come up back here again. If it does come back here again, I mean, we're gonna put some kind of stop loss up here at, you know, something crazy levels up here, you know, 20% stop loss or something like that. You're gonna lose, doesn't matter. I think it breaks down. I think it breaks down. I think this is this move breaks down. Hey, I'm watching CNBC Live. Jim Cramer, Mad Money. He's doing an in-depth Bitcoin. He's calling 7-8K bullish. Every time Jim Cramer does that, man, that's the, you know, best. What are you gonna say? That's the best, you know, indication that we are in the bull market. When Jim Cramer is totally nope, not touching this ever again. But you saw also JP Morgan says that, you know, told people that they should take profits. Imagine imagine, where is it? Notifications. JP Morgan Bank Friedman, where was it? JP Morgan says, this is January 22nd, 2 days ago. JP Morgan says investors should sell stocks and take profits. Investors should sell stocks and take profits. Twitter, this is Twitter, so this is Tesla. You should take profits down here, guys. This is where you should take profits. Down here you should take profits. Down here you should take profits. Sorry, Neo. Down here you should take profits. Boeing. Boeing did a nice move up here. Down here you should take profits. Down here you should take profits, guys. Down here you should take profits. Down here you should take profits, guys. Down here, this is where you take profits, guys. Not up here, no, here you take profits. I don't know who's listening to those guys. So, what can we learn from JP Morgan? We take profits at the bottom. Let's take 5-minute break. Maybe this is gonna break towards downside. Left bottom. Guys, remember, only 2.5 million deposit on Bybit gives you 30k sign-up bonus. Oh well, where's the million headline around here? You tell the truth. Other YouTubers say nothing. I think they say, you know, whatever they feel it's truth. But, you know, some YouTubers are better at analyzing than others. Is Asia going to buy the dip? I think so. Inverse grade. So, short is playing out okay, but this double button down here on small time frames is kind of giving me a little bit, you know, jiggly worries. Bitcoin still at 1%. We're still waiting for the daily closing in 19 minutes. I think a lot of people are right now, you know, thinking that this can anytime, you know, pump. Went down, trying to, you know, shake out the market. I think it's gonna go down, shake out the market, and then go up again. It also might do this, and the people are thinking this is gonna happen, and does another one of these moves, and then goes towards the upside. Closed hourly about 10 moving average, still above 50. There is slight divergence up here on the RSI, very slight divergence, which can be corrected very fast. It's down at 60 levels up here, which is fine for any kind of uptrend up here. So it can definitely go towards upside. So you gotta, you know, there is huge chance our short is not gonna work out. Huge chance. Yeah, another 50 bucks on a little long one stopping. Nice. I don't believe some other YouTubers talk the truth. Points itself. Yeah, Crypto Labs is good, guys. There is a channel, a Norwegian channel called Crypto Labs. Crypto Labs. You changed the logo. Why did you change the logo? I like the previous logo. Changed too much. Crypto Labs. This is your second channel, right? You got two channels right now, right? No, no, this is the one. This is the channel. So this is a Norwegian channel called Crypto Labs, and they're really good when it comes to, you know, analyzing the next trends, you know, fundamentals and stuff like that. So I do really enjoy watching, you know, from time to time, seeing what's up, what's new, what's up. So if you're a Norwegian guy, definitely check these guys out. If you know Norwegian. These guys also called ApeCoin before it released. They got this live stream every single day. Chat GTP. See, Crypto Labs, new look. Okay, there you go. These accounts you gotta follow. Twitter. I'm not there. CZ. Where am I? Where am I? I gotta find myself. CryptoLess, this is you. No, it is correct. You gotta go to live. Yeah, switch the logo. I don't know. I like the previous logo, you know, but it's give or take. It's give or take, you know. This reminds me a little bit of you know, Binance logo. I don't know why. See up here. A lot of Twitter. This is LinkedIn. I don't know. There we go.
Som lurt, ja. Da det vel det han har sendt på en leder. Så trykk på bjella, trykk på like.
Late in the video, about an hour. Yeah, there we go.
Så får du med dere det vi driver med. En annen artig norsk kanal som
Do I CC up here
som vi
now?
liker å følge, det Late Adopter.
Yeah! God damn it, we are above the line.
En veldig artig kar. Tøyser og tuller, og han kjører jo livestreams så å si daglig.
Right, but still in the middle range. Yes.
Hvor han prater om
doesn't want to drop.
Kryptotrading, bitcoin. Det stort sett det går i.
Ja, stort sett.
Han prater på engelsk, da. Og bare være obs på at Late Adopter, han veldig glad i månefaser. Prater om det støtt og stadig i tradingen sin, og tar
If you don't believe in the moon phases by now, you know, I cannot help you, man. If you're not convinced by now, I cannot help you.
Ta månefasene med i beregningen. Som en vis mann burde.
Som en vis mann burde. Helt riktig.
Skal vi se. Thomas, du må sjekke innboks på Facebook. Det mas på deg. Skal sjekke innboks på Facebook, ja.
Into the crypto, I used to watch this guy a lot before, Benjamin Cohen, but he just kind of repeats himself lately. Talks about X are a big thing right now. Yeah.
Underholdning på Widerøe, ja. Ja, jeg har fakturaen klar, jeg, med det siste her.
Thanks for the plug, man. I appreciate it. Crypto Labs. Check out Crypto Labs, guys. If you know Norwegian, of course. These guys know what they're talking about. You know, we are not very big on fundamentals and on the, you know, what's the next thing in crypto, but you know, these guys, they know. You know, we like our charts going up and down. Stop streaming my channel so I don't have to remove a copyright strike on YouTube. Did you see what? Did you see about what Mr. B said about the copy strikes? So I don't know if I can find it. There was a short about Mr. B's copy strike, something like that, I think. It was a podcast. So basically, he went on a lot of podcasts lately, and doesn't matter. He has this friend, and he that's just about to do, you know, a copy strike on 100 people on TikTok because they are using his channel to, you know, make these clips on TikTok, right? So he's telling Mr. Beast, you know, he's gonna put copy strike, and Mr. Beast is like, "You're an idiot. Don't do that. There's like 30 million, you know, views on these clips on TikTok, and he's exposing your channel to a whole range of new audience, and you're getting a lot of new, you know, subscribers that didn't know about your channel from before." So the thing is about Mr. Beast right now, Mr. Beast is going on a whole range of podcasts because he figured out, you know, Andrew Tate, right? So Andrew Tate, I also called Andrew Tate a genius in the start because Andrew Tate, you know, figured out this affiliate marketing thing, right? So he made a lot of videos and get a lot of people to post, you know, short clips all over the internet about him. Of course, he exploded. And Mr. Beast is doing the same thing right now. All he has to do is go on, you know, a bunch of podcasts and, you know, get people to take the, you know, clips of Mr. Beast talking in a chair. And suddenly, you know, exposure just grows, you know, tenfold, right? So, you know, you giving me copy strike means that you are stopping that, you know, exposure to the new audience, right? I know you're not going to give me a copy strike or whatever, but it's a brilliant idea. If you guys on Crypto Labs can go to other, you know, podcasts and just talk on podcasts, right? That's the best kind of, and if people take your clips and start sending you on TikTok, on shorts, on the reels, on Instagram, stuff like that, right? That gives you so much exposure, so much exposure. Right now, our short entry is acting as a resistance, so that's kind of good. What are we up here right now? 0.26%. Not much. But it's doing this, you know, zigzag up here, so you know it's not dropping. That's the thing. What's the language? It's Norwegian language. The guy's great. Let's go a little bit higher time frames up here. Eight minutes left. What is the local time? Local time is 1 a.m. in 9 minutes. But I did like your previous logo before. I think it was better. I don't know. It's my personal view, but you know. Crypto Labs. And the previous logo is... see here, they changed the logo. But the previous logo was this Crypto Labs thing with this guy on the side. And I like this better. I don't know why. I think it's... I don't know why you changed... I don't know why you changed the new look. I don't know why you changed the new look.
So
it's give or take. It looks, you know, it's blue color. It's more business-like. But I liked more cartoonish, you know, cartoonish feel. It keeps not going any. It should drop. So hesitant right now. Yeah. So. I think it's just waiting for the daily close. It is really waiting for the daily close. There is 7 minutes left on the daily close. After that, we're gonna know the direction. See these big wicks on the downside, which I'm not actually quite, you know, bullish that much. Bitcoin still 1%, just not doing anything. It's just kind of waiting. 2-day time frame closing in 1 hour and 1 day and 1 hour. Weekly time frame 6 days. Bitcoin 4 hour looks alright, but not sure on 1 hour. 4 hourly has a divergence, slight divergence, but there is still divergence up here. You can see this up here and towards the upside up here. There is a slight divergence. This goes down, this goes up. The momentum is going towards downside a little bit. Volume is kind of just, you know, steady. You know, I don't think I can, you know, say anything much about volume, because right now it's just, you know, trading range up here in going sideways. So, you know, volume can, you know, do whatever it wants to do. Let's look at the Bollinger Bands up here for a second up here. Extended up here and then right now pulling back down to the midline up here. Let's see 4 hourly. Extended, down, extended. This is on the move down, so I think it needs to go down. You can also see right now, you know, this move up here, then it went down up here. So maybe just gonna go sideways up here more. It could happen. It could happen to just go sideways as well. Monthly is finally curving towards downside. Bollinger Bands. And we got our, you know, Ichimoku cloud. It's a little bit different Ichimoku cloud than what everybody else is using. We just, you know, took Ichimoku cloud and just removed everything and, you know, added our own lines. So this is not, you know, but what you're gonna see here on the daily time frame, at least on our Ichimoku cloud, is that we turned, you know, green, which is good. 4 hourly is green up here. 2-day time frame still not green up here above 29k. But if you watch my video from today, you know, up here, this is the major line. 25k. 25k. This is the major line, guys. Once above 25k up here, this is when all, you know, bears and shorters, you know, get wrecked. Emotional moving averages. We're above 200 emotional moving average up here. Weekly time frame. Ooh, hitting this 200 moving average on emotional moving average. Nobody cares emotional moving averages. 200 moving average up here. This is the real one. Double top on 4 hourly and then drop. there are different ways where this will go, but I don't see any kind of, you know, special pattern up here. Maybe there is some kind of channel, stuff like that. I mean, there are definitely some kind of channels up here. Maybe something like this, give or take. Finding patterns and stuff like that is really, really hard. Up here. So it could drop down up here a little bit, right? Can definitely do that. Three minutes left on the daily close. It's gonna be interesting. Consolidation. Consolidation for a long while. Oftentimes when you get to these kind of tops, right? Oftentimes when you get to these kind of tops, and then you have a hope it's gonna pump, it's gonna pump, it's gonna pump, and it just never pumps, you gotta assume that something is wrong. It should drop, no? I think it should drop. Like my theory is it already did a couple of times. This is first time, 2 times, 3 times. These are 3 drops trying to shake out the market, right? But I don't think it's enough, because every time it dropped it, you know, it went higher, but it's not pumping. Every time after drop, it's not pumping. You know, it should pump, you know, after a significant drop, when it comes up there, it should continue towards upside. It's not doing that. So maybe just, you know, a little bit laggy and a little bit waiting up here, but I think it should drop. Also, we've seen some other coins up here right now. They're looking like they want to drop, right? ETV, oh my god, we wanted to short ETV up here. We would already be like up like 30% up here. Could have already closed the position. Matic's turning around. Phantom already broke down up here. We want to actually short up here, but no, we became too greedy. So I think after the daily close is important. I think it's just waiting for the daily close to, you know, they want to close it up here for whatever reason, and then after that it's gonna happen. Just write in one sentence. It's okay. There's nobody else speaking, so you can write it for 50 seconds. I'll just show apt. Source too much ADHD. I think I have apt here somewhere. There's apt minus 4.5. Yeah, I did tell me to short it. We want to actually short up here as well, but you know, yeah, this is just losing steam. So the thing about apt, and the reason why it's such a good short is because there has been just so much talk about you know, apt lately, and every time there is too much talk, that means that, you know, it's probably, you know, too many people, you know, bought the top, so it needs to pull back and get these people out. GMT short. Everything is short, guys. GMT. Yeah, GMT is also below the lines. Yeah, it went out of this up here, but it's just going too slow. Support line up here. There we go, we got a daily close kicking in, and we right now have no special daily close right now, and nothing special on daily close. We still got this divergence up here on the daily time frame. We still got momentum going towards the downside, while over here, while we are going a little bit sideways up here. And volume is not, maybe slightly going towards the downside while it's going towards the upside, maybe. So I think if the drop is gonna come, the drop that we want, you know, before you know, the 50% move towards upside, I think it should come now. So, gosh, AP sitting like it's not. Yeah, AP's slowly just bleeding a little bit by a little bit, like. We're gonna see. I had a 0.04% up. It's already below this moving average, so it should definitely, you know, drop down up here. And this line is such a nice line. This line is such a nice line up here. And I think if it does drop up here, it can have a, you know, nice volatile move down, which should give us something like, you know, 20-30%. Of course, now S&P is closed, we can dump. Oh, S&P is closed right now. No, it's open. Futures are open. Beautiful line. Got some tiny longs. I think it wants to go down. We're just waiting right now. Ape doing the move. Nice. Bitcoin is down 0.08. Still not below very, you know, there's definitely some kind of line over here. Still not below the line. You can see, I mean, you know, just, you know, ballpark it. 200 moving average. This is 5-minute time frame, so. Futures are not important. I think futures are more important than because I think that futures is where the moves are, you know, happening up here. Oh, this looks bad for S&P 500. This on 5-minute time frame. Dow Jones also look bad, and Nasdaq also look like it wants to dump. And this thing over here is always dumpy. Now it's picking up a little bit up here. See up here, it went up here. There's a, you know, support line up here, broke that, goes into this move up here. So I'm afraid this can actually do this. Go to the line up here, and then go down. So we gotta make sure that we don't cross the line up here. Are you asking yourself why we get volatility on market open? Not really, no. Why do we get market volatility on open? Because close is, you know, once we close, then people can decide whether that's good or bad, and then they, you know, start trading the next move. I don't know. Because futures are not important. Okay. So you think that the other thing is important. Okay. Okay. How is CME futures doing right now? Look here, daily time frame, 200 moving average on CME futures. Hitting that on the dollar. You think it's gonna break the 200 moving average just immediately? These are the most important ones, 50 and the 10 moving average on the monthly time frame. Look how nicely. Look how nicely getting rejected by this 200 moving average. Look at the volume S&P, and the volume is only high when the market is open. I don't know, man. This is S&P futures. Yeah, maybe. Does market open at 15:30, you know, my time? Yeah, the volume is definitely lower up here. And then, you know, market opens. Maybe you're right, man. Maybe you're just as right as you were right with the, you know, the logarithmic and the regular chart. So I might be wrong about that. I haven't actually thought about it, so. There we go. There we go. Well, tell me, I did not know that. I did not know that. I don't analyze everything, you know. I miss a lot of stuff. I'm not really, you know, very structural, disciplines, or structural, or whatever it's called. Ape move, wow. Yeah, but ape was already on the way, like slowly bleeding down. But right now it's stopping here at the support line. God damn, it's stopping at the support line. Bitcoin must drop more. CN, Cartoon Network. 10 and 15 a month, monthly about to cross. We ran into that to confirm as a resistance. Right back up again, 200 moving average, bouncing. It's getting into green again. Okay guys, you know, stop watching the charts. We're gonna put a stop loss up here, above these levels up here, somewhere at 3.8, you know, these stops up here. No. Where are we gonna put the stop loss up here? What do we say? What did we say up here? Yeah, we're gonna put stop loss 3.811 or something like that, just right above these wicks up here. 3.811. So let's do that. Let's add stop loss on Bybit. Stop loss 0.3811. That's gonna be with 15% loss. That's fine. 3.811. 3.812 for good luck. And that's a stop loss. So we got a stop loss up here. It's all the way up there above these, you know, levels, because if you go up there, I mean, we definitely miss something, right? So we're gonna get out, you know, with 50% loss on that one. New tweet notification. Elmao followed me. Thanks, Elmao. Jim Crane warned, let's stay away from crypto and stick to gold. By the way, who rug pulled silver? Did you see silver, guys? That is Crypto Labs. Neo Ranger. These guys know what's up in the crypto market. These guys knows everything. They got a whole team, you know, figuring stuff out. Chilis go up if Bitcoin is going down. It can, but it's more likely it's not gonna do that. I think more likely scenario is that it's gonna follow Bitcoin for whatever reason. That said, we got a stop loss on our trade, which is fine. So, you know, we definitely can lose 15%, but if it goes like, you know, 10-15% in profit, I'm gonna, you know, move my stop loss to 0 entry. But the who rug pulled silver, guys? Silver went down on a day open, like it was down 4.77%. And you can see up here the same kind of pattern. It goes up and it starts doing this, you know, curvature move up here. This often, you know, tends to break on the downside, but it doesn't mean that it's gonna break down to zero. It could break down here and go up, it can break down there and go up, right? These kind of moves, these kind of patterns at the top over here, they do tend to break down, but if they are bullish, they can just, you know, bounce and continue. But first they do break down. So there is more probability this is gonna go more down towards downside. And Kramer says gold, and gold doesn't have that. Gold is, you know, in options over here right now. Gold from the bottom did, you know, 20%. This is from November. From November to January, gold did 20%. And Bitcoin from November, where is November? Let's say November, it doesn't matter. Let's say up here. Bitcoin did 48%. So I don't know if you should go gold or gold or Bitcoin. So that is that. Okay, I'm gonna leave it up here, and hopefully this breaks towards downside during the night. Guys, thanks for stopping by. There is Bybit link down below. If you got 2.5 million to drop on Bybit, you get 30k sign-up bonus. I mean, you can get less if you know, deposit less and trade with less, but there's that. If you want a 30k, 2.5 million, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I'm gonna do another trading stream tomorrow, perhaps. And there's that. I'll see you around. Bye-bye. Sorry about your ears.